Hello everyone. I am doing this video to show you how to take a screenshot of anything on your computer. Let's say you're doing an assignment and you need to take a screenshot of something that you need to submit in a Dropbox or anything else you're doing with your work on your laptop or on your computer. So the first thing you want to do is want to go to your search button. As you can see, I am going down to the left lower corner of my laptop and I'm going to search snipping tool, and as I write it automatically finds the snipping tool for me. And the snipping tool is a sort of tiny software which kind of takes the picture for you, and you see how you have new mode, delay, and the only thing that I really have ever used is the new, which is taking a new screenshot by your snipping tool. So when I click on new, it is going to phase out my my window for me, and I will use this. I mean, you don't have to move that, it doesn't take that picture of that, but now you have this plus sign and you can take a screenshot of anything by dragging this plus sign over whatever you wanted to take a screenshot. Let me do that again so you can see it. So once I click exit out of it and it says, do you want to save changes? I say no, because I want to take another screenshot. So now that I have used this, it kind of saves, or you have to kind of save it on your taskbar under the laptop window. So you click on it again and this will pop up again, the snipping tool icon, and then you're going to click on new. Now do you see how you have this plus sign? This plus sign is, you're going to press your mouse on the left, keep it down, and drag the mouse over whatever you want to take a screenshot of, and then let it go. Once you let it go, it will take a picture of whatever you wanted to take a picture of from that page on your computer, and now you can save it. So how do I save it? I can either go to File, I can save it as a screenshot, right, just as a screenshot on my pictures, and you can see I have this page up open that I can save the picture here. But in case if I don't want to do that, I can just click on top of it, right? I'm clicking right on top of my screen, and I click on copy, and then I will open a WordPad, which is what you have to do for your assignment. And once you click on a new WordPad, you can either, come on, open up. Okay, so you can either go to File, right? File, not File, sorry. Okay, I'm just going to right click on it and I'm going to say paste. Okay, so now the whole picture that I took is pasted here, and you can fix the view if you don't want it that big. Go to the view and zoom and make the size less than whatever you want. Like for example, if 75%, you can use the percentage here and make it smaller. Click on OK, and you see how the picture becomes smaller. Or if you want to zoom it out, you can do the opposite, go back and select the higher percentages, or just go up on your percent level. If that all makes sense to you, I hope it does. Okay, so you can save it here on the WordPad and then save the WordPad in your folder page wherever you want, and then you're ready to submit it to your Dropbox. Good luck with everything.